I would like to preface this video by saying that this was an interesting weekend because you'll see why, but basically we were on an airplane most of the time, so that was fun. And the reason this is late is because I had some problems with my files on the computer not loading and stuff, so I figured that out, and so now it's all good. And so to introduce this, I'm gonna just go ahead and say that there was severe weather at the airport. Well, the power just, the power came back on, so never mind. At this point, there was a pretty big threat for hail, so that was interesting. This is crazy. And in this next clip, you'll be able to hear the severe weather sirens going off at the airport. So that was a lovely time. Now, to put more context to this next little thing that I say, I had been just watching the lightning, not recording anything, and there's so many epic lightning strikes that I completely missed.
I'm not gonna miss another lightning strike. Whoa! Yes, it got one.
Morning and welcome aboard. This is flight 1877. We're almost completely full here going to Houston.
Well, now we're on the airplane about to leave to go to my cousin's wedding, so this will be a nice weekend. So I'm not going to be recording much over the weekend because, you know, I want to hang out with the family, so I'll probably get back to you at youth group on Sunday if I go, because, you know, I'll be tired from traveling, but I probably will have enough energy to go because it's going to be a party welcoming up the new freshmen. So I'll see you Sunday, I guess, and I'm going to just kind of time-lapse the flight and stuff, so we'll see. Houston without any problems, and now we're on our plane on the way to Austin, and then, yeah, that's it, I guess. We just finished up in Texas and we're headed home now, and I mean, I didn't really record it all there because it's a family event. I just kind of wanted to enjoy myself with family. So, but I do have youth group tonight, so I should be recording there. I'm not sure how much I'll end up recording there though, because we're welcoming up the freshmen. So that's the plan for the rest of my day, and well, time to head home. So I know the video up to now has pretty much just been an airplane, and I apologize for that. I just had almost nothing else to film. But now I'm here at youth group with Allison again. Allison, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Allison.
Hi.
Look at the camera. Okay, well, she's not gonna look at the camera. I see how it is. But I can't talk today. We're gonna have fun at youth group, hopefully. I'm not sure. Once again, I'm not sure how much I'll film because it's the freshman welcome party after all, and you want to talk to the new freshmen, get to know them. So that's where we're at right now, and I'll get back to you later. I don't know what's happening anymore. Oh my gosh. Abby's trying to kidnap Allison. I mean, hey guys.
Hey!
Catch me!
Oh my god. Whoa, Allison, I can't do that. I have a camera in my hand. I can't carry you when I have a camera in my hand. Okay, anyways.
My key is stuck on my Lululemon leggings, and these are like over $100.
Anyways, we just finished up at youth group and are now going to go home. Trying to go home anyway. I've said this like a million times, but we're headed home and I'll see you guys next week. Okay, Abby's gonna take us to our car. She doesn't know where it is, so this will be fun. Okay, never mind. She knows where it is. She found it. Oh, I guess not. She doesn't know where it is anymore. Okay, well, she guessed wrong. I knew it. Wait, oh wait, hold on.
This is our car.
You found it.
Don't see the light.
Yeah, it is. I determine cars by their license plates. Let's see, my keys fit into this car. This is nice seats. What version?
That's because we don't have a sunroof that we can leave open and have water go in the car.
To be fair, I didn't open it, so I forgot about it. My friend Rook did. No offense, Rook, but you did.
As I've said a million times, we're going home now. So, now that I'm in the comfort of my own car with no one climbing on top of me, I'm gonna drive my sister home, and
Hey y'all.
either we'll see you tomorrow or next week.
We're never, ever, ever